Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to creating keywords and title, description, and URL. First of all, we need a on schedule. Okay, in this we need to add some timetables. Okay, we need to add 9 p.m. Okay, and we need to start workflow. Okay, one item was here. Okay, the data was going. Okay, the data was going, and what we need is adding did field. Okay, in this we need to add some things. Okay, we need to add keywords to create keywords, and in value we need to add n8n. Okay, in this string was good, and what we need is excuse the step. Okay, the data was here and the keyword was n8n. Okay, you can change the keyword you want, and I can change it to I need make.com. Okay. Okay, we need to start it, and here we go. The make.com the keyword was here. Okay. Okay, what we need to add an agent. First we need to assemble. Okay, we need to add AI agent. What we need is add AI agent, and we need to change the name to what we need change the name. Okay, we add this name, and in this we need to add a URL. What we need to add on this URL, we need to what we need is define below, and in this front we need to add this, and the keyword was put on this area. Okay, what we need is start executing. Okay, we need to add required field output. Okay, we need to start executing. Okay, it's running, and the data was not giving, and we need to add a chat model. We using ChatGPT and Mini. We need to execute. Okay, it's running. Okay, here we go. Okay, and in this we need to add and this we need to add autofix, and in this we need to add model, and we need to choose okay, I need to choose model ChatGPT, and in this we need to add structure output, and in this we need to add like this. Okay, and what we need is start executing. Okay, it's running, and we need to see it's working. Okay, it's work, and we need to see the data was correct. Okay, the data was correct. What we need it is to put and change to code. Okay, in this code we need to add something to make it better. Okay, we need to change to JSON. Okay, and we need to execute. The 5 items was here, and here we. Okay, what we need it is put on to Google Sheet, and we need to add Google Sheet. Okay, here we go, and we need to add or update in raw sheet, and in this we need to add my worksheet. Okay, we need what we need I need install it again and fix it, name, all things. What we need is we need to what we need is need for list, and in this we Okay, by and by ID, by URL. Okay, by name and in this. Okay. Okay, it's not showing. We need to sign in again. Okay, I sign in it again, and here we go. You have the list, but in this we need to add manual, or you want I need to automatic, and what we need is we need to start executing. Okay, here we go. I have all the things we have to add rank one what we need, and in this we see okay. The title was here, the rank was here, and the title was is automation platforms, and the URL, and all the the descriptions, and okay. Okay, it is creating very good, and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.